Commentators have long asked where Ukraine's reply is to the Iranian-made Shahed drones used by Russia. Now a new type of long-range strike drone from Ukraine is starting to hit Russian forces. New images from Ukraine show attacks being launched with new AQ-400 Scythe kamikaze drones made by Terminal Autonomy. The makers confirm that they have carried out strikes but cannot comment on details. The company, formerly One Way Aerospace, was founded by a multinational team and already mass-produces loitering munitions for Ukraine. The company's vision is to democratize airpower with large numbers of low-cost, mass-produced attributable autonomy. Under a new contract, they are now delivering Scythe drones, currently starting at 50 a month but scaling up rapidly to around 500 a month by Q2 2024. Our goal is to produce 1,000 units monthly, co-founder Francisco Serra-Martins told Forbes. But it is not realistic to scale in just one quarter. Terminal Autonomy describes their AQ-400 Scythe as a no-frills, cost-effective payload delivery system. The compact design has two sets of wings, one forward and one rear, which provide maximum lift for minimum wingspan and enable 30 fully assembled scythes to be stacked in one shipping container for transport. The drone's body is made of milled sheets of plywood from a network of furniture factories, which the makers say is more scalable for mass production than 3D printing or using materials such as fiberglass. It is designed to be produced without skilled labor so that volume can be easily ramped up without lengthy technical training. The Scythe has a range of around 750 to 900 kilometers, depending on the engine option. Serra-Martins says they can use a variety of engines derived from commercial designs, some made in Ukraine and others imported. This is enough to put a huge swath of Russia within range, plus all of occupied Crimea. The Scythe has a cruising speed of around 140 km per hour, 85 miles per hour, similar to the Shahed, with a maximum terminal speed of 200 km per hour, 125 miles per hour. The Scythe carries a 42-kilo warhead, again similar to the Shahed. Francisco Serra-Martins says a standard payload is a Ukrainian mass-manufactured high thermobaric warhead or a pair of 122 mm artillery rounds that spray shrapnel over a wide area. Still, there are other options for specific targets. Both sides have made extensive use of radio frequency jamming to block the use of GPS and other satellite navigation systems. Shaheds have often managed to find their targets, though, with a combination of jam-resistant antennas and inertial navigation. The Scythe can take a similar approach using a laser altimeter from lightware to fly at a very low level, around 30 meters, 100 feet. Jamming is only effective over line of sight, so low-flying drones are difficult to jam and are only affected when they are very close to the jammer. But the preferred mode now is to come from high altitude,